Rob McMahon with Expert Village. A lot of contractors will skip sanding thinking it's not that important. But the importance of sanding, especially if you're doing bright work, on raw wood, every new piece of finished wood that comes out of the mill is going to have chatter from the planer and from the shaper that it came through. If you don't get rid of that, you put a clear finish on it, and you're going to see every bit of those lines. Even after you get rid of that, if you're going to paint, you've got to sand the primer coat, get that nice and smooth, and then sand between the coats of the finish paint. That will keep it from looking hairy and things that blow onto the paint while it's drying that get stuck won't be embedded there forever. If you pay attention to what you're doing and take the time to do it right, you'll have a beautiful finish that'll last forever.